take you through a summer day as a teenage farm girl. We also want to go and get some flowers for our flower bed. We just need some spots filled in. So we're gonna go do that, and I'm going to take you along. You throw out there that we are getting a new fence, which I'm super excited about. Vinny, see you soon. From the Greenery, and there is a storm rolling in, so it's pretty windy and the wind is nice and cool, so we might wait just a little bit to plant the new stuff that we got for the flower beds. For flowers, we've got these really pretty flowers. All of these are going to be so nice. They're gonna look so nice in our flower bed. But first we have a compost pile, and we're gonna go see if any of our ohm dirt is going to be good to plant these in. Are you ready for a bottle? Yeah, okay, 1 minute. I'm hoping while we're out there trying to get some dirt from the compost pile, this will keep all the animals occupied so that they're not up our grill. Here, Tangy, come here. Come here. Good girl. You can dig right there. Because under this should be good soil. Do you want some help?
I got it.
Okay. Hi, Thistle. Let's see. Under here. Oh, I don't know. It's kind of windy.
Yeah.
On soil. Cora, that is not food. Dude, it's dirt. Don't eat the dirt. No. Don't eat the dirt. No, you're not gonna eat the dirt. Okay, so we didn't get a lot of soil because it's very compacted and it's kind of hard for us to get down in there with just a shovel. So we're just going to use it with our pots that we already have. Just top it off. Okay, so the audio was not working out, but basically what I was saying here is that we baked and clipped Tangerine and Thistle for the show again, and we had to put some sunscreen on Tangy because since she's white and when we shave her, she needs some protection from the sun because she gets sunburned. Do you want to show the camera Thistle's cut?
Thistle has a new haircut.
Yep.
I can't find so much leaves and stuff on them.
Yeah.
These are really pretty. I bet hummingbirds will like them.
Uh-huh. So I got them.
On my window.
The wind is definitely picking up. I feel it. that are going over here. One that's going right here. And this lantana, funny story is we just found it in our pasture when it was itty bitty, and now it's grown to this big, beautiful plant. Some more that we placed in its spots. We have 2 here. And we got 2 here. I'm gonna put another one on this side. And there we go.
Right here.
You can tell where the storm's heading in from. Something that's cool and useful is I pulled a little piece out of our flower bed just so that it was kind of falling down from a storm. And so we wanted to take off the broken pieces, and the goats really enjoy. So now we have everything placed in its spots, and now we just need to dig a hole to put it in.
I was doing ours.
To take a little pause on the flowers and come out once the storm has officially passed us. Okay, so I'm feeding Vinny because the storm, it's pretty rainy out there, and so he's eating. I put him in this brooder to protect him from the rain. Here in the garage, the storm is kind of past, but it's still drizzly outside. But milking still has to be done, so yeah, gotta go out there and milk Ramona. Let's go. It's raining right now. This is just lovely. I just made up her food and let's go out there. I'm going to be milking her most likely on the back porch. There's rain. Come here. Hi.
Your friend might see it.
Hi. Hello, girl. Hi. Is doing really good. She loves to binky at night, so I'm really excited that I get to see her binky. Alright guys, it is the next day. All the animals are hungry. Vinny and Ramona are already taken care of, so I need to do the chicken and ducks, the rest of the goats, and some things like that. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's start on the goats' food. Okay, while they are eating, I have some exciting updates on the Nubian. First got them, they were a bit on the tiny side, and our goal was to get their hair in better condition by giving them copper bolus. and give them some alfalfa to help grow their bones and all that good stuff. And so, at the end of all of this, it's not over yet, but so far they have gained so much pounds. Cora has almost gained half of her weight, and Nebula's coat has improved so much, and she has gained a lot of weight as well. So I want to share those weights that they gained. Cora has gained about 30 pounds, and Nebula, I'm not sure the exact amount of pounds, but a lot. Make up the chicken and duck feed. Some sea kelp. Onions. Alright, let's go. Nope. Back up, goats. This isn't for you. No. Yes. The goats have water, but now I need to give the chickens and ducks some water real quick. Alright, let's go for water. Hot outside, so I need to make sure that everyone has water out here. And then I'm going to go inside. And my sister is doing the bunny. Well, it is later now and it is pretty drizzly, but this is my chance to show y'all the finished product of all of our flowers that we planted in our flower bed. Alright, so we got this. It's really pretty. It's a salvia. And then we got these 4 things. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what this section looks like with our new plants. And then the section that I showed you over here, this is what that looks like. Okay, so when we go over here, we've got this section with these pink flowers. And this is actually my window to my room. And then we've got these 2 pink salvias. This is what this looks like. All right, and then this rose bush is dead, so we're gonna pull that up. And then we've got this section, which 1, 2, 3, those are new. So yeah. And I also want to throw out there that we do have videos every Tuesday and Friday, but we will be gone at a goat show, so there will be no video Friday, but then that goat show video will come out after that. And then we will go back to our regular schedule of Tuesdays and Fridays twice a week. So yeah. Anyways, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video and will like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. And remember, God is love.